The rise of bioluminescent technology, illuminating the future. Imagine walking through a city at night, not under the harsh glare of electric streetlights, but beneath the soft, ethereal glow of trees engineered to shimmer with bioluminescence. Picture medical diagnostics where glowing proteins highlight diseased cells with pinpoint accuracy, or fashion where clothing pulses with natural light drawn from the depths of the ocean. This is not science fiction. It is the burgeoning reality of bioluminescent technology, a field that marries nature's ancient artistry with humanity's drive for innovation. As of 2025, bioluminescent technology is emerging as a transformative force, offering sustainable solutions to energy crises, revolutionizing medical diagnostics, and inspiring awe in everything from urban design to personal expression. This essay explores the origins, current applications, potential societal impacts, and ethical considerations of bioluminescent technology, revealing why it captivates scientists, artists, and dreamers alike. The science of bioluminescence, nature's blueprint. Bioluminescence, the production and emission of light by living organisms, is one of nature's most mesmerizing phenomena. Found in creatures like fireflies, jellyfish, and deep-sea anglerfish, it results from a chemical reaction involving a molecule called luciferin, an enzyme called luciferase, and oxygen. When these components interact, they produce light without heat, a process far more energy efficient than any human-made bulb. This natural efficiency is the cornerstone of bioluminescent technology's appeal. The study of bioluminescence dates back centuries, with early observations of glowing marine life recorded by ancient philosophers like Aristotle. However, it was not until the 20th century that scientists began decoding its chemistry. The discovery of the luciferase enzyme in fireflies and the green fluorescent protein, GFP, in jellyfish earned researchers like Osamu Shimomura a Nobel Prize in 2008. These breakthroughs laid the groundwork for synthetic biology, where scientists manipulate genetic codes to replicate or enhance bioluminescent traits in other organisms or systems. Today, advances in genetic engineering, particularly CRISPR, have accelerated the field. Researchers can now insert bioluminescent genes into plants, bacteria, or even mammalian cells, creating new applications that extend far beyond nature's original designs. This convergence of biology and technology has sparked a wave of innovation, positioning bioluminescence as a frontier for sustainable and aesthetic progress. Current applications, from labs to landscapes, sustainable lighting, and urban design. One of the most promising applications of bioluminescent technology is in sustainable lighting. Traditional electric lighting consumes vast amounts of energy. Global lighting accounts for approximately 15% of electricity use, according to the International Energy Agency. In contrast, bioluminescent systems require no external power source, relying instead on biological processes fueled by organic compounds. This makes them an attractive solution for reducing carbon footprints. In 2024, a French startup called Glowy demonstrated the potential of bioluminescent bacteria by creating glowing signage for urban environments. These bacteria, housed in transparent containers, produce a soft blue-green light powered by simple nutrients. While still in early stages, such innovations hint at a future where bioluminescent algae could illuminate bike paths, public parks, or building facades. In the Netherlands, a pilot project has explored embedding bioluminescent microorganisms into concrete, creating self-sustaining, glow-in-the-dark road markings that eliminate the need for energy-intensive streetlights. Beyond microbes, scientists are engineering glowing plants. By inserting firefly or jellyfish genes into species like tobacco or Arabidopsis, researchers have created plants that emit a faint glow. In 2023, a team at MIT developed a watercress plant that glowed brightly enough to read by, a proof of concept for replacing desk lamps or ambient lighting. While these plants are not yet commercially viable, they represent a step toward living lights that could transform homes and cities. Medical diagnostics and biotechnology. In medicine, bioluminescent technology is revolutionizing diagnostics and research. Bioluminescent proteins, such as GFP and luciferase, are used as markers to track cellular processes in real time. For example, cancer researchers use bioluminescent tags to monitor tumor growth in animal models, allowing them to study disease progression without invasive procedures. In 2025, clinical trials are underway for bioluminescent probes that could detect bacterial infections in the human body by glowing under specialized imaging, offering a non-invasive alternative to biopsies. The efficiency of bioluminescence also makes it ideal for point-of-care diagnostics in resource-limited settings. Portable devices that use bioluminescent reactions to detect pathogens like malaria or tuberculosis are being developed, providing low-cost, electricity-free testing for remote areas. These advancements could democratize healthcare, bringing cutting-edge diagnostics to regions without reliable power grids. Art, fashion, and cultural expression. Bioluminescence is not confined to science labs, it is also capturing the imagination of artists and designers. In 2024, a London-based fashion house debuted a collection featuring bioluminescent fabrics infused with microbial pigments that glowed under UV light. These garments, while experimental, point to a future where clothing could serve as a dynamic canvas, shifting colors or patterns in response to the wearer's environment or mood. In the art world, bioluminescent installations are gaining popularity. Exhibitions featuring glowing algae or genetically modified plants have appeared in galleries from Tokyo to New York, inviting audiences to reconsider humanity's relationship with nature and technology. These works blur the line between the organic and the artificial, sparking conversations about beauty, sustainability, and bioethics. Societal impacts: a glowing future. The rise of bioluminescent technology promises profound societal changes. In urban planning, glowing infrastructure could reduce energy consumption and light pollution, creating cities that are both eco-friendly and visually stunning. Imagine parks where bioluminescent trees provide soft illumination, fostering a sense of wonder while cutting municipal energy costs. Such innovations could also address equity issues, bringing safe, sustainable lighting to underserved communities without the need for costly electrical grids. In healthcare, bioluminescent tools could lower the cost and complexity of diagnostics, improving outcomes in both developed and developing nations. By reducing reliance on electricity, these technologies align with global goals for sustainability and accessibility, such as the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Culturally, bioluminescence taps into humanity's fascination with light as a symbol of hope, creativity, and discovery. From glowing tattoos to interactive public art, it offers new ways to express identity and connect with others. However, the technology's novelty also raises questions about commercialization and access. Will bioluminescent innovations be affordable, or will they become luxury goods for the elite? Ethical and environmental considerations. As with any emerging technology, bioluminescent advancements come with ethical challenges. Genetic modification, particularly in plants and animals, raises concerns about ecological impacts. What happens if a glowing plant escapes a lab and crossbreeds with wild species? Could engineered organisms disrupt ecosystems or food chains? In 2024, environmental groups called for stricter regulations on bioluminescent crops, citing the need for long-term studies on their ecological footprint. There are also social and ethical questions about human applications. Bioluminescent tattoos or implants, while visually striking, raise concerns about bodily autonomy and long-term health effects. Would such modifications be safe, reversible, or accessible to all? Moreover, the commercialization of bioluminescence risks exacerbating inequalities, as seen in debates over genetically modified organisms, GMOs, in agriculture. Public perception is another hurdle. While bioluminescence is natural in some organisms, its use in synthetic biology can evoke fears of playing God. Transparent communication and public engagement will be crucial to building trust in these technologies. Scientists and policymakers must work together to ensure that bioluminescent innovations are safe, equitable, and environmentally responsible. The road ahead. challenges and opportunities. Despite its promise, bioluminescent technology faces technical barriers. Current bioluminescent systems, such as glowing plants, produce light that is often too dim for practical use. Scaling up brightness without compromising safety or efficiency remains a challenge. Additionally, the long-term stability of bioluminescent organisms, whether bacteria, plants, or algae, requires further research to ensure they can thrive outside controlled lab settings. Funding and regulation will also shape the field's trajectory. Governments and private investors are beginning to see the potential of bioluminescent technology, with venture capital flowing into startups like Glowy and synthetic biology labs. However, regulatory frameworks for bioengineered products vary widely across countries, creating uncertainty for global adoption. Still, the opportunities are vast. By 2030, experts predict that bioluminescent lighting could account for a small but significant share of the global lighting market, particularly in eco-conscious regions like Europe and Scandinavia. In medicine, bioluminescent diagnostics could become standard in low-resource settings, saving countless lives. And in culture, the fusion of biology and art could redefine how we express ourselves, creating a world where light is not just harnessed but grown. Conclusion: bioluminescent technology stands at the intersection of science, sustainability, and imagination. From glowing trees that light our cities to proteins that reveal hidden diseases, it offers solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges while sparking wonder and creativity. Yet, its rise demands careful stewardship to address ethical, ecological, and social concerns. As we step into a future illuminated by nature's glow, we must balance innovation with responsibility, ensuring that this radiant technology benefits all. In a world increasingly defined by energy crises and environmental limits, bioluminescence reminds us that sometimes, the brightest ideas come from the smallest sparks of life.